The following message is transmitted at the request of the SCP Foundation. SCP-682 has breached containment from a zoo in Bonjul. SCP-682 disappeared from Doc's Zoo on May 22nd. The zoo's Facebook page states that SCP-682 is drunk and has severe arthritis in his ass, making it very difficult to open his ass cheeks more than an inch in the shower to let the water inside. Just imagine how stinky that ass could be. Anyway, they describe him as cheddar. SCP-682 is known to use the bathroom on people for no God forbid reason at all. If you see SCP-682 drinking vodka, jerking off and scratching his balls in the woods, do not approach him and do not lure him. Take it as a warning and run. Wait. Why do I hear footsteps? Holy shit, cream cones with cum-scented birthday cakes! SCP-682 has entered the EAS headquarters. No! Do not put that empty bottle of vodka up my ass. Somebody help me! Is there anybody out there? Help! Help! Help me!